Today, I just want to show you guys how to remove the grille on this 2015 Nissan Frontier. This will be the same on any 2005 to 2021 model Nissan Frontier. This is a really simple process. So first, of course, you need to pop the hood. Now, if you look at the top of the grille here, there's these 6 little fasteners that you need to take out. And all you do for this style fastener is there's this little middle part here. So you take like a flathead screwdriver or something and you pull up on that middle part. And then once that middle part's up, then you can pull the whole thing out. So now you can see that this whole top part here is free. Okay, so now if we come down through the top of your grille here, right next to your hood latch, there's a little opening here. And if we look down in there, there are 6 tabs. So there are 2 of them right there. There's 1 down there on the end there, get that to focus. And then same thing over here. There's another 3 over here. So we got 2 more right there. And of course, 1 over there. And so what you do with these tabs here is you just kind of want to like press down here while you take your, index finger and then press up on the bottom down here is what I'm doing. So I'm kind of pressing up here and then my thumb will kind of press down just very, softly and gently just to clear a little lip right here. So you'll just kind of press that and like press out, towards the front of your vehicle. And then just try to make sure that they don't snap back in. So that one's good. And then you'll just go along, do it to all of them. And I won't really be able to film this process here, but I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. Okay, so that's through. All right, and it is that simple, guys. Now your whole grille just comes off like that. So here's all the 6 tabs, and that's what they look like there. So all of that I was doing was I was kind of pushing down here and at the same time, pressing up here, and just enough to clear this tab on these lips here. So that's where the first one is, second one, third one, same over here. 4th, 5th, and 6th. Super simple job here, guys. So now you can access anything in here that you need to access. This is also something that you need to do if you're taking out the headlight assembly. This is one of the bolts right here for the headlight assembly. There are 4 total. The top 2 are up here. The third one is, or the 4th one is down there, a little bit harder to get to. That's something that I'll probably make a video on at a later date. Now I'll show you guys how to stick it back in, but it's just super simple, just the reverse of removing it. So, of course, line up your tabs on the bottom first, and then you'll just gently press in till they clear. So 1 snapped in, there's another one, there's another one. Same thing over here. All right, all the bottom ones are snapped in. And when you stick your pins back in, of course, make sure that these little center pieces are up first while you guide these little prongs through the hole. Sometimes you kind of gotta help them along a little bit, and then you can press down on that center piece and they'll snap right in there. And you're all done, guys. Hope this helps. Remember to do it yourself.